Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you can you really play with your friends on Mortal Kombat. First, open the Mortal Kombat game on your device. Once the game loads, tap on multiplayer from the main menu. Here, the game will ask you to create a username if you haven't already. Enter your desired name and tap on accept to continue. Next, click on select realm. After selecting it, you'll see different options such as quick battle, clash towers, survivor mode. Quick Battle allows you to join fights against random players online, while Clash Towers and Survivor Mode are mainly for completing solo missions and earning rewards. Now, many players look for a way to play directly with their friends by using their usernames or invites, but unfortunately, that feature is no longer available in Mortal Kombat Mobile. In previous versions, there used to be a friends list and invite option, but it was removed in recent updates. At the moment, the only way to play multiplayer is through random matchmaking using Quick Battle, where you'll be paired with other players from your faction. So, while it's still possible to enjoy online fights, you can't directly challenge your friends in Mortal Kombat Mobile anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.